Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Monster Trucks Nitro for your Mac. The first thing you want to do is go to this website, monstertrucksnitro.com. It gives you the Monster Trucks Nitro homepage. And what you want to do is you want to go to Downloads. And go down, and it will say Download Free Demo for Mac. Click on that. After you did that, exit out, and then you should get this. Click on this, and you should get this in your dock. Now I'm going to show you guys that it works. You don't want it windowed, just play it the way it is. You want it full screen. See Monster Trucks Nitro. Alright, now you got two cars, and then two tracks. I'm going to do the first one. So that's Monster Truck Nitro for the Mac. So go back to the main menu and exit. And we don't need to know about this. It's just advertisements to buy the full game. So yes, guys, that is how to get Monster Trucks Nitro for Mac. If you guys enjoyed this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys need me to download and do a how-to on anything else. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.